Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the exact symptom so you fix the right view. Inspect the view hierarchy and check Z-order and hidden flags, record the offending view ID. Once done, create a quick backup branch and enable verbose UI logs so changes are reversible. Make sure to attach your inspector and console to see runtime changes. Then take the first actionable step. Disable animations and remove any forced constraints so the view becomes editable while you test fixes. Now you diagnose the behavior by toggling visibility and adjusting constraints live, which reveals whether layout or code is enforcing the jail. Once you see which constraint or transform holds the view, trace its origin in source. Look for forced translates, alpha clamps, or precondition logic. Make targeted edits in small increments and rerun the UI test suite after each change so you isolate the effective fix. If an override works in the inspector, propagate that change into the codebase carefully and retest. Finish by consolidating the validated fix into a clean commit, removing temporary debug hooks, and merging to a staging branch so you can monitor user flows. Once merged, run end-to-end flows and confirm the view behaves across different screen sizes and orientations. If the problem persists, revert to the backup branch, add more granular logs, and create a minimal reproducible case to test. One key troubleshooting tip: always reproduce the issue on a clean device or simulator to rule out caching and environment artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.